This one is, oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. I move so far in time. I move so far in time. I've been picked up in. Hey everyone, my name is Keshante Chantel and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we are doing, well, actually, I picked up a couple of things from the one and only Sephora, and I'm super excited about it because there are some things that I've been wanting to try for a while that I just have not, I just haven't tried. The main focus of this video today is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cosmo palette. I know you guys have seen this all over social media. I am so excited to play with it. So I'm super excited to play with it. We're gonna do some swatches, kind of first impressions, and we are going to just kind of jump straight into the video. There's some other items that I did pick up as well, and I'll show them to you throughout this video. So if you have not already, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We are on the road to 1K, and I'm super duper excited about it. Join my beautiful online family, and we're just gonna roll straight into the video. All right, so first things first, I literally just took this out of the package, and so first impressions, I am super excited about this palette, but the one thing that I did notice, and I'm going to show you the colors, but I have not even gotten to swatch this yet, and I'm so disappointed because the shimmer shadows in here are very, very fragile. I did drop it. Yes, that's my fault. However, I feel like dropping it on carpet should not have done this. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and swatch this. So what I love about this palette, first off, is, oh, I don't wanna drop anymore. Okay, so what I love about this palette, first off, is these shimmer shades. They just look, I mean, it's called the Cosmos, so they look like this galaxy, this beautiful array of shimmers with sparkle in it. So the colors are really pretty. So first we're gonna swatch the Super Cluster, which is the shade that I was most excited about in this palette. So I'm kind of disappointed that it broke apart. So this is what that looks like. This is so beautiful. It is so, so beautiful. I think I'll probably just, you know, get some alcohol and kind of fix that up. But as you can see, that shade eats. It eats. It is so pretty. The next one that I'm going to swatch is, ooh, I would have never expected this to have like that shift to it. This is called the Sun. So it has this pink orange shift to it. It looks like a let me see if I can find it. If I can't find it close by, reminiscent to my Bobbi Brown cream shadow in the shade Incandescent, but just like this is in a cream form and that is in a powder. Combine those together, bad. I'm excited now. It's been a minute since I've been excited to like play and make up. So these, I don't know if I mentioned it before, so far these shades are swatching very, very buttery. It takes me little to no like pressure to get color payoff. So this shade is called Orion. That is really, really pretty. This one is the Orion. So it's like this pink shimmer, and it has more glitter in this one. The next one I'm gonna go in with is Mercury, which is like this gunmetal shade. So that one is really pretty. It's like a black, blue, silver kind of undertone, which I think is really, really pretty. That is going to slay for a smoky eye. The next one is, I'm assuming Quasar. This one is, oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. And I'm not even being dramatic. Watch when I swatch it. Look at this. Look at that. I am just like blown away. I'm blown away. Anastasia may have won my heart with this palette. I'm running out of hand space, so I'm gonna go in with the Galaxy. The Galaxy is this really pretty. Okay, just let's swatch it. It's like this black that has like this, oh gosh, it's like this teal, green, blue, like, come on. I'm like so excited about this, and I have not been this excited about makeup in a very long time, so this is just blowing me away. So next are the matte shades. This one is Space Dust. Not really, I mean, this would be more of, I don't know, this would be more of like a transition color or all over the lid kind of color. Yeah, or you can use that just to like blend out some of the other mattes. The next one is called Comet, which is like this terracotta shade. And that's pretty too. Like, I like that. This would be, these shades right here, like I would use more for like a, I don't know, just like everyday wear. Now I will say this, the matte shades in this palette are no different than any other matte shades that I've seen in other palettes, but these shimmers, oh baby, these shimmers did not come to play. This shade that I'm gonna swatch now is called Eclipse. So that is really pretty. It's like a plum shade. It's giving plum, but it's really pretty. And then the next one that I'm gonna swatch is called Supernova. Okay. Look at that. Look at that. Baby, when the light hits that, I don't even know what to say. Like, that is beautiful. It's like pink, blue. I hope my camera's picking this up, but it's like pink, blue, hints of purple. All right, the next shade I'm going to do is called Mars. I'm gonna put that right here. So it's just your everyday, regular brown, like a brown with some hints of red. I'm trying to wipe this off so we can get like some true color payoffs and it's not mixing with the others. And then the last one that I'm gonna swatch is like your it's not quite jet black, but it is like a dark black shade. And this one is called Dark Matter. So let's see. And this one's not really picking up, so like the quality of that particular shadow is just kind of meh. But I'm pretty sure like it would blend if you were to do a little cutesy eye look or whatever. So I love the quality of some of the shades. I'm not gonna say like this palette is like 10 out of 10 because I feel like some of the formulas for the matte shades could be a little bit better. The shimmer shades are divine. They are divine, and I have no qualms about them other than the fact that, you know, dropping this palette on carpet, it's very fragile. It should not have broken, but it is what it is. So I want to put, like, I've got pink on, so let's go in with let's do the Quasar. So I want to see what that would look like and it picks up really good on the brush. So I'm just gonna pop that on top of my eyes and in my inner corner. I already had shadow on, but you know, as with any shadow, you can always add to it. So that is really, really pretty. That eats. I feel like these shades can be worn by themselves, or or it's fun to just kind of build them and put them on top of other things. And this brush it's a Japanese 712 brush that I'm using. So like if I wanted to do like a whole different look, I definitely could. Actually, let's see how this dark matter actually blends, because you guys remember years ago the Prism palette. Was it Prism palette? I'm pretty sure that's what it was. There was this whole huge thing with that palette and the shadows just weren't blending. So I want to give this the benefit of the doubt. So I'm going in on the tail end with the dark matter, and I'm just using a MAC 224 brush. And I'm just applying that to the outer parts of my eye and blending that into the center. And honestly, that shade blends out. So I think it could be just because maybe I had oils on my fingers that it didn't kind of transfer the way I would have wanted it to on the swatch, and that's okay, just as long as you can see that the shade is blending out, because I want to give an honest review and I don't want to hype this up and then you guys go spend your money and be like, no, it didn't really work for me. I want to make sure that I am getting the best results from this, because these palettes are not cheap. So I like it. I like it. So if you have not already, I highly recommend, I'd probably say 8.5 out of 10. This is definitely something that's really, really fun. You can get so many looks, daytime, nighttime. It can be very elegant, classy, fun. Again, fun is the word that you're looking for, because you always want to have fun when you are using makeup. So I absolutely love that palette, and I think you will too. All right, so I want to move on to some other items that I got. I picked up, I got this Sephora liner. It is the Sephora brand in Molasses. And what is it? It's number 17. So I have used other Sephora liners before. I don't even know where they're at. But Sephora has really good quality house brand makeup. And I don't know, Sephora has, like I said, they have really good house brand makeup. This is a Sephora Pro palette. This palette is everything and then some. I've had it for quite some time. I don't believe that you can get it online unless somebody is selling it. But back to the liner. I absolutely love these liners because they definitely glide on very easily, and you can twist them up if you need to sharpen them. They come with a little sharpener at the bottom. They were only $13, which I feel is a good price. So let's see. So this lip liner, it is beautiful on me. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I love it. But on a brown skin baddie, oh gosh, let me tell you, the brown skin girls, one thing about them, that dark liner with the clear gloss in the center, nobody, I don't care how light, bright you think you are, how good you think that looks on you, it might be pretty, but on a brown skin girl, it looks better. They eat it up. They eat it up, and that's just that on that. But the gloss that I got, this is the O2, which is called Outrageous. So and whenever I do my lip liner, my gloss, I like to blend the two of them together because I just feel like it just lessens the harshness of the line. So if you want like that really pretty neutral brown glossy lip, I think it looks really, really pretty. I love it. This gloss was $13 as well. I don't think that is a bad price. The quality of it is not sticky. It does have like that that minty, I don't know, it's got like a tingling kind of sensation to it, which is not bad. So the next item that I got, I have been trying to, well, I see a lot of the girls online, they use the Laneige sleeping lip mask, and I believe this is one of the newer ones. This is in Pink Lemonade. I was more drawn to it by the smell right now because the seasons have changed. It is now summertime, and I obviously I haven't been drinking enough water, so I've been really, really dehydrated lately. So I needed something. So I got this lip mask because my lips have been super dry. It smells like candy. It smells so good. Yeah, it smells so good. So I haven't tried this one out quite yet, but anyone that I have literally seen use this have loved it. And it does come with a little spatula that you can actually dig in there and get it out, so you're not contaminating your product too much. So I'm really excited to try that. The last thing that I got was, I didn't need this, but it was like really cute, so why not? I got the rainwater. This is the Power Mist Hydrating Hand Sanitizer. So the scent is supposed to be like fresh scented. Some of my friends had these, and I just kind of was like, I want one. And I didn't need it because I just went to the Bath & Body Works annual sale, but ooh, that smells good. It definitely gives like that clean linen kind of scent. It said rainwater, and I can sense that because it has like a watermelony kind of vibe to it. So guys, that is it. That is all. Thank you for watching this mini review of the Anastasia Cosmo palette and my mini, very small makeup haul from Sephora. Guys, if you have not already, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join my beautiful online family. Thank you so much again for everyone that is just riding with me and supporting me. We're on the road to 1K, and I'm just super happy about it. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.